go look outside. What's going on outside? Anything good? Anything exciting? Are you in your stroller, Taggy? Are you in your stroller? You are in your stroller, aren't you? Okay, let's go back to the living room. Okay, come on. And we're going to park it right here so you guys can watch Dr. Phil. There. Now you can watch Dr. Phil. How's that? Is that good? It's about Desperate Housewives today. I think you'll really like it. Okay? Okay. Bye-bye.